Chapter 6: Affiliate Marketing. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a powerful strategy for individuals looking to earn income online. By promoting products or services through unique affiliate links, marketers earn a commission from sales or leads generated. Understanding affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where businesses pay external publishers to generate traffic or leads to the company's products and services. Affiliates earn a commission when the traffic they generate results in a sale. Setting up for success in affiliate marketing. Choose the right niche. Success in affiliate marketing begins with choosing a niche that is both interesting to you and profitable. Popular niches include health and wellness, finance, technology, and lifestyle products. Selecting the right affiliate programs. Not all affiliate programs are created equal. Look for programs that offer competitive commissions, reliable payout structures, and that have a good reputation. Large networks like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction provide access to thousands of affiliate programs. Building a platform. Most successful affiliate marketers have a strong online presence either through a blog, YouTube channel, or social media platforms. Your platform should provide valuable content to your audience and incorporate your affiliate links organically. Marketing strategies to maximize earnings. Content marketing. High-quality, valuable content is crucial in affiliate marketing. Whether through blog posts, videos, or podcasts, your content should engage your target audience and include your affiliate links naturally. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your content for search engines to increase visibility and drive traffic to your site. Use relevant keywords, create quality content regularly, and ensure your website is user-friendly. Email marketing. Build an email list to communicate directly with your audience. You can use emails to promote products, share content, and directly link to affiliate products. Make sure to provide value beyond just sales pitches to keep your audience engaged. Social media marketing. Utilize social media platforms to promote your affiliate products. Engage with your followers, share useful content, and use the platform's advertising tools to target potential customers effectively. Paid advertising. Investing in paid advertising can be a fast way to drive traffic. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads offer powerful tools for targeting specific demographics and interests. Best practices for affiliate marketers. Transparency. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. Transparency builds trust with your followers and is also a requirement by the Federal Trade Commission in the United States. Monitor and optimize. Use analytics to monitor the traffic and sales your affiliate links generate. This data will help you understand what works and what doesn't, allowing you to optimize your approach. Stay updated. Affiliate marketing is a dynamic field. Stay updated on the latest trends in your niche, changes in affiliate programs, and marketing techniques to stay competitive. Diversify your efforts. Don't rely on a single affiliate program or marketing strategy. Diversify your efforts across multiple programs and marketing channels to increase your earning potential.